John. I'm going to show you a really easy way to do binary addition. Now before we start working out the problems, I want to show you some of the rules we're going to follow to make it really easy. The first thing I'm going to show you is the magic table of binary addition. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 always equals 1, 0. Some of the other things we're going to follow is we're always going to add 2 digits at a time to keep it simple. We're always going to work in one column at a time. And we're going to do a quick check in decimal.
Yes, it is a magical rule. It is a fantastic rule. And guess what? It is addition and subtraction of binaries. Mathematics is a beautiful science, and it is a subject that everybody on earth needs. Wow, I love those rules, and I'm going to be exploring them today on our topic. Remember, this is my mathematics class, your mathematics class, our mathematics class, and today we are going to be exploring more secrets in the subject of mathematics. Addition and subtraction of binaries is the topic. Remember what we taught in our previous classes. We told you that binaries, also called base 2 numbers, are numbers that have only 2 figures. Remember I told you that binaries have only 2 numbers or 2 figures, which are 0 and 1. Now when you have numbers having these figures, how can we add them? How can we subtract them? Now these are the rules that we must follow. They are magical. They are rules that may look like a mystery to you, but in this topic I'm going to demystify them for you. Now the first rule on the addition of binary is that 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, just like in our normal mathematics. Then 1 plus 1 is 10. Okay, it looks strange, right? But that's the rule. One of the rules is that 1 plus 1 is 10. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. Okay? So I want you to get these 3 rules on the addition of binaries. Now let's go to the subtraction rule. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. While 10 minus 1 is 1. Okay, it's a rule of subtraction of binaries. 10 minus 1 is 1. And 11 minus 1 is 10. Okay, because 10 plus 1 is 11. Good. Now with these rules, we are going to be solving some work on the addition and subtraction of binaries. Now if the question we have here says, number 1, we are going to be adding 1011 base 2 plus 110 base 2. We have another question that says add 1111 base 2, 101 base 2, and 100 base 2. And the third question says 1010110 base 2 minus 10101 base 2. Now let's solve. Number 1 question, we are going to be arranging just like the way we arrange our numbers when we are adding up our numbers. So I'm going to be arranging them in their digits. We have 1011 plus 110. They rule your line. Now let's follow the rule. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. Remember the rule, 1 plus 1 is 10. Put down 0, carry 1. Okay. Now from this, 0 plus 1 is 1. Remember we carried 1. So 1 plus the 1 we carried will give you 10. 0 plus 1 is 1. The 1 plus the 1 we carry give us 10. So you put down 0, you carry 1. So 1 plus the 1 we carry now give us what? 10. So you put down your 10 since we are not adding another number again. So you have 10. So that is our answer. Very simple. So we have 10001. Base 2 as our answer. Number 2. Let's add up 1111 plus 101. Then we are going to be adding up the 2 digits first. Remember in our introductory video, we're told to always work on 2 columns. Even if we have more than 2 columns, you must solve your 2 columns first before you move to the order. So we're going to stop at 1111 plus 101. So 1 plus 1 is 10, put down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus the 1 you carry, give us 10, put down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 10, plus 1, give us 11, okay. Put down 1, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 10. So you put your 10 there. Remember, we are not done adding up. So we're going to add our 100 now. So continue our addition. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 10. Put down 0, carry 1. Okay. Now 0 plus the 1 we carry give us 1. 1 plus nothing is what? 1. So that is our final answer for example 2. Then the third is a subtraction question. So we are going to subtract. I'm going to subtract 0 minus 1. If you count 0, remove 1. It's not possible. Okay, it's not possible. What do we do in mathematics when it's not possible? We borrow. So we're going to borrow from 1. When you borrow from 1 to 0, you now become 10. 1 and 0 will become 10. Okay, that is the normal way we subtract numbers in mathematics. So 1 and 0 give us 10. Now we've already removed 1 from the one we have there, so that one becomes 0 automatically. So let's solve now. 10 minus 1 give us 1. Now it's not remaining 0 in this column. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus nothing is 0. 1 minus nothing is 1. And that is our answer to base 2. So this is very, very, very simple. You're going to be needing the knowledge on binaries as you prepare for your final examination in primary school. Some of that time in our next classes, we are going to be exploring more mathematics topics that look somewhat complex to you. Bet you I'm going to make it simple as possible. And remember, our mathematics class is always full of fun as we explore different mysteries in mathematics. Please go over your work. After that, you go to my interactive assessment, attempt the assessment, and make sure your name is on the leader board, and thereby you are going to make me proud. After that, you go to your assignment, solve on a play sheet, and upload for me for grading. Till we meet again in our next class. Bye for now.